Hello guys, welcome to another video in the series of coding. Today we are going to do the problem. It's called linked list cycle 2. So you are given a linked list, you have to return the node where the cycle begins, and if there is no cycle then you have to return null. Let's try to understand this problem. So this is the linked list, suppose, that is given to us. In this particular linked list we can see that there is a cycle, and in this cycle the starting or the first node is this particular node. So you have to return this particular node. Let's first see the brute force approach. So the brute force approach will be, we will take a, let's say, hash map or a set type of data structure where we will keep storing the nodes. So let's say we see the node 1, we store it. We see the node 2, we store it. We see the node 3, we store it. We see the node 4, we store it. Then I will have to extend my data structure. Okay. Next we see the node 5, we store it. We see 6, we store it. We see 7, okay, we store 7. Then we see 8, we store 8. Then we see 9, we store 9. Next time again we see 3. We have already seen 3, but again we see 3 because it is present in the set structure. So we know that 3 is the repeating node because all nodes will be stored once, but when you visit through the cycle again, you will see the node which is the starting first node that you will see in the set is the starting node. So you can return this particular starting node, but this approach is going to take a lot of space complexity, and we want to do it without using any extra space. So we want to do it in O of 1 space complexity. So let's see how we can do this particular question. So we use the hare and tortoise approach. So that can be used. Let's try to see the approach and then we'll try to understand it. So let's say we have two pointers, slow and fast. Slow pointer is a pointer that is going to move by one step, and then we have a fast pointer that's going to move by two steps. Okay, let's try to see these two pointers. So this is the slow pointer. Initially both slow and fast pointer are, let's say, starting at the same position. Now what happens is, slow is a slow pointer, so it will just be able to move by one step, but fast is a fast pointer, so fast pointer will move by two steps. Okay, next time what's going to happen, slow pointer is a slow pointer, so it will just move by one step, but there is a fast pointer which is fast, so what it will do, it will move by two steps. Okay, let us move forward. Then next time again slow pointer will move by one step. So let me erase the slow pointer and place it there. But your fast pointer is a fast pointer, so it will move by two steps. Okay. Next we again have, okay, so next slow pointer will again move by one step, and your fast pointer is going to move by two steps and going to make a jump here. Okay, so let's erase this and place it here. Next time your slow pointer is going to move by one step, but what is going to happen to your fast pointer? Fast pointer will move by two steps. Okay, next what is going to happen, slow pointer is going to move by one step, but what is going to happen to your fast pointer? Fast pointer is a fast pointer, it will be able to move by two steps. Okay, so let me erase it and place it here. And what will happen to your slow pointer? Slow pointer will move by one step next time, and then this is the interesting part, because your fast pointer will move by two steps, and this time it will be able to catch up with your slow pointer. Okay, so now both slow and fast pointers are pointing to one particular node. Both have met. Okay, finally they have met. This is also used to detect the cycle in linked list. So they have to meet. Why they have to definitely meet? Because the distance that slow pointer is traveling is x, and the distance fast pointer is traveling is 2x, right? So if there is a cycle, then at some point, no matter what, these of the two pointers have to meet. If there is no cycle, then what's going to happen? If there is no cycle, it's going to be a simple plain linked list. Slow pointer will remain here and fast pointer will move two steps at a time, and it will let's say reach the null end. Okay, but they will not meet because one is moving by lower speed, one is moving by higher speed. But if there is a cycle, they will definitely meet, that is for sure. Now we have to find the starting node where they meet. Okay, so first let's note that they have met here. Now what we are going to do is, now they have met here, the remaining distance, okay, from the start that is to be covered, and the distance to the starting of the place where the cycle starts is the same. Okay, what do I mean by that? Let me take my fast pointer or any of the pointers. You can take any of the pointers because both are now at the same position, and place it at the start. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to move both of them by one step. So I will move my slow pointer by one step. So my slow has come here, and I will move my fast also by one step. So fast has come here. Now again I will move my slow pointer by one step. So slow has come here. Again I will move my fast pointer by one step. So fast has come here. Now both of them are going to point towards the starting node. So once they point towards the starting node, you can return this particular starting node. Okay, let's code this now. Let me delete my previous submission. Let's start from the fresh. Okay, so we have to first of all detect if there is a cycle or not. So we will give the condition. Okay, so we will give the while condition. First let's declare the two pointers. So list node star slow pointer, it's starting at head, and list node star fast pointer, it is also starting at head. Now we will have to give some condition. Let us give that condition later. Let us start inside the for loop. So what do we have to do? We know that we have to move our slow pointer to the next value, and we have to move our fast pointer to the next, and again one next. Okay, so this guy is taking one step at a time, this guy is taking two steps at a time. If there is a list, right? So if slow is become equal to fast, if they are meeting, then in that case we know that there is a cycle. Okay, let's say cycle found variable which we will declare is a boolean value, boolean cycle found, and let us initially make it false. If it is found, we will make it true. That means our cycle is found, because both of them are meeting. They can only meet if there is a cycle. If there is no cycle, one will go so fast, one will remain slow. How will they meet, right? So they will not meet if there is no cycle. So if they meet, then in that case we can break. Okay, we can break from here, our work is done. But if they are not meeting, right? If there is no cycle in the linked list, then we'll have to give condition. Now what is the condition you will have to give? So first of all, this should be valid, right? Because if this number is null, how will you try, how will you find the fast next and then again next? If this number is null, if fast is null, then this will return segmentation fault. So you should definitely give that while not of fast, right? Fast should never become null. Also fast next should never become null, because if the next of fast is null, then this value will be null, right? And then you will never be able to find the next of it. Okay, because it will return segmentation fault. So this should also, you should also give this. Okay, now we will try to see what is happening. Now if cycle found is true, then we will have to perform one more step. What is that one additional step? If cycle is found, if cycle is found, we have to perform one more step. What is that step? Now move both pointers by one step. Okay, move both pointers by one step, and finally you will reach the start, you will reach the start of the cycle. So this is our algorithm. But before doing this, shift any of the pointers to the head. Okay, shift any one pointer to head. Okay, so let us start with that. Now while, okay, so let us do that. While slow not equal to fast, again we can give this particular condition. Before giving this condition, let us shift one of the pointers to head. Now we can just move by one step, and we can move here by one step. Fast is equal to fast next. Okay, and finally you can return any of the pointers, both will point to the same node. Now if cycle was not found, in that case you will have to return null. So if cycle found is not true, that case you will have to return null. Okay, let us run this code and see if it is working. Okay, there is no cycle, but my algorithm is returning that there is cycle. Okay, let's see what is the problem. There is no cycle is the output, but okay, this is my output that there is no cycle, but it connects to this. Okay, so okay, very good. I have given note of the condition, so I should give this particular condition here. Okay, it's fine now. Let me Run and see if it's working. Yes, it's fine. So I had given not a fast here, which was a very stupid mistake because that will just exit the loop at the first step itself. Okay, so let me just submit and see if it's an acceptable solution. Okay, it's fine. Thank you for being patient and listening.